the Orion PT-20, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Testors. And this model, it's a fun little model to build. We have some recessed lines here. Most of these are raised rivets, panel lines. We have our two pilots. This was a patrol and training aircraft. We have our two windshields, and we have the propeller that rotates, and tried to paint it to look a little bit like wood. We have our exhaust. As you can see there, I ended up drilling out the holes to make it look a little bit more realistic. We also have some rigging. Not really a fan of this rigging job that I did. This is a plastic sprue, and I think actually this was out of silk, and then painted it. On the underside here you can see our landing gear and US Army insignia. Here are the instructions. So some details about the plane. Here we start off with the cockpit. Not really a lot of detail there. Fuselage is put together along with the tail and the engine, cowl, as well as propeller and exhausts. Next we put on the windshield and landing gear. You can also build this as a float if you wanted to, and put it on a water base gliding through the water. Here are the paint and decal guides. And that's for the Dutch Air Force. So kind of a simple plane to build, but has a nice result.